This is a powerful channeled message, and it comes to you on the 23rd of October, and it is for the last week of October. The last week of October of 2025, there is an energetic pulse, and the energetic pulse is matching 2020. What you went through in 2020 is now rising again. The frequency is matching. The core wounds that are being activated are the same. It is the same frequency. It comes in a higher frequency, but it is going to mirror where you need to work deeper on self. But here's the big thing, Divine Feminine. Back in 2020, you did not have the wisdom. You did not have the light frequency that you now embody. You did not have the Christ codes that you embody now. You did not have the 144,000 that everybody thinks are a group of people but are not. They are energetic frequencies. The 144,000 frequency, you hadn't fully embodied that energy. Right now, you have. So what is going to be shown to you, what is rising within you, that grief, those core wounds that are rising, which rose in 2020, now you are going to deal with it in a whole different frequency. They are rising up so you can see how far you've come, but you can also burn away. But this is now not an inferno. This is not a fire that is out of control like it was in 2020. This is a match. This is a flame. And you hold it because you have learned how to dance within the flame. You are now no longer on an awakening journey. You are the journey. You are the path. You have fully embodied that flame. You have fully embodied that inner union frequency. And now this is fully asking you, it's an invitation. It is an invitation. It is rising up. You could actually turn away from this frequency and go, I'm turning away. I'm not ready to deal with this. In 2020, you were on the floor. You were literally crawling on the floor, barely being able to move. Whereas this energy, you have the tools. You are now fully embodying that soul frequency, that priestess frequency, that sovereign frequency. You know, the Christ conscious frequency, the Magdalene frequency, the ley line energy that we are now fully embodying. You have it vibrating through your being. So you could turn away from it, but why? Let's face it, let's go into the shadow, let's dive deep, because in diving deep, you are going to dissipate it out, and it is only going to up-level you. It is only going to take you into the next frequency. But here's the thing. This energy, the masculine energy, has not done the full work. So it is going to start to ripple through them in a really powerful way, in a way that starts to get momentum, in a way that we cannot turn away. The masculine has dipped their toes in where you were full blown in those waves. You were in a tsunami being crashed around in 2020, whereas divine masculine still chose comfort. You did not. You could not. And right now, divine masculine, they cannot choose comfort. They can try, but what is about to engulf, and when I talk about an engulfing, it is a full tsunami engulfment, is going to up-level them. They are going to start to meet you here because they have no choice. This is a journey of the masculine and the feminine moving into that higher frequency that we are now embodying, that is vibrating through the ley lines, that is vibrating through the Magdalene lines, the priestess lines, the God conscious frequency. It is here that you cannot ignore anymore. So, while we are moving through this energy, it is now about you going, where am I aligning deeper? Where can I sit deeper with this? Where can I embody it? I am now going to watch it. I am now going to rise. This is a calling, divine feminine. This is a calling for every divine feminine. It is now about aligning with soul. It is now about aligning with your soul purpose, answering that calling, however that looks for you. That might mean movement. It might mean embracing the healer. It might be embracing those psychic gifts that were gifted to you. It might be embracing that soul calling, however unique that looks for you. This is not about, I'll dip my toe in. This is about fully embracing it. This is about leveling up energy. And those shadow aspects, that darkness that is rising, of course, divine feminine, you are no longer afraid of the darkness because you faced every single shadow in 2020 in that darkness. Now, darkness is your friend. Darkness only helps you level up. If you need more help and support on your journey, my website is there. It's the 3Ws, catsacredsoul.com. I also want to say that there are some scam accounts on TikTok, on Instagram as well. I will never direct message you. I have, if you want to work with me, my website is there. I will never, ever direct message you saying I'm going to do a reading for you. They are scams. They unfortunately have copied my profile and are trying to do whatever. Do not answer it. If you want to work deeper with me, my website is there. I hope this helps. This is a powerful energy for you, divine feminine. Embrace it and dance in it. Dance and become that flame, because that flame is the feminine frequency. I send you so much love. Many blessings.